Hello everyone, this is Vali. So today I'm going to show you how to use spline to create building shapes and some of the other modifiers such as sweep and taper. So first, we have to create spline by just going to create and then click on shapes and then make sure here it says spline. Then you can choose either lines or freehands, it's up to you. So I'm gonna go with line and then I will create an organic shapes that I want. Like this. So it doesn't have to be symmetrical. It's up to you whether you want your shape to be like. Okay, so after you finish, go to select tool and then select on the object and then go to rotate and then you just click on the yellow line, it's axis, type in 90 degree, so it's gonna stand up like vertically, and then I just move it up a bit. Yeah, after you have the spline, you have to create another shape that you want to follow that spline. So I'm going to use the same spline tool, and in object type just choose Angon, and then here you have to choose the side that you want, like the triangle, the square, or either polygon. So I'm going to use the polygon with the 5 the size. Okay, oh sorry, it's too big. Okay, so suppose it's like this. Oh, again, yeah, okay, suppose it's this side. And then what we're going to do next is we go to selection and then select on the spline. After that, go to modify and click on modifier list and type sweep. Where is it? Yeah, here. Okay, when you click on sweep, it's automatically adjust a default shape on your spline. So what you have to do is in the section type, just click on use custom and then pick and then select on the shape that you have drawn as a reference. See, this is how it come up. Okay, so after it come up, you can also adjust the sweep parameters. So you go to here, the sweep parameters. You can even adjust the offset line to adjust to make it like offset inside, and then the white line. Yeah, see, this is how you can adjust it. Okay, so after the sweep, we have to draw another spline. Okay, I'll just make it like curve up, I think. Just a simple curve, I guess. Okay, so do the same thing. You have to rotate it up vertically, so it's axis 90 degree, and then just make sure that you move it touching the surface of your building. Okay, so I'll just use 3D to make sure that the snap point is touching it. Okay, so after that, we might need another smaller N-gon with the same shape, maybe 5 side, and then just make it a little bit smaller because you want it to touch in, like integrate with the big one. Okay, so after that, do the same thing, which is select the spline and then apply modifier sweep, and then use custom sections, pick, and click on that small shape. Okay, so it's popping up now. So what's we gonna do next is going to apply taper, and then here it come up. So you can go to center inside the taper, and then you can adjust how you want to curve it. See? And the amount as well. You can also change in the taper axis which axis you want to work on. Like this, you want to curve it out. See? And yeah, you can explore with the other axis if you want. And then after that, you can move it in. Oops, sorry. That just move, yeah, to integrate with your shape, something like that. Yeah, so this is how it might look like if you want to do like the same shape integrating with another. And I'm going to apply this in my next project as well. So thank you for today. Thank you so much.